Washington, D.C., the heart of global decision-making, just became the stage for a new vision of our future. The first draft of the Constitutional Charter for Peace, Regeneration, and the Flourishing of Humanity has officially been unveiled. Led by Dr. Professor Gabrieleja Pao-Peija Andreoli, this mission arrived in the U.S. Capitol with a powerful spiritual foundation. On 17 January 2026, Gabrieleja Pao-Peija, President of the Institute for Advanced Studies and Cooperation, formally presented the constitutional vision in Vatican City to His Eminence Cardinal Pietru Parolinu, Secretary of State of the Holy See, seeking guidance on the ethical, institutional, and spiritual dimensions of the proposed constitutional process. The signing of this historic first draft in Washington, D.C. brought together a diverse group of prominent leaders and visionaries. Among the key figures supporting the charter are Pastor Mark Burns, spiritual advisor to President Donald J. Trump, chairman of Spiritual Diplomats; Brock Pierce, entrepreneur, co-founder of the stablecoin Tether, USDT, futurist, venture philanthropist, creator; and Marina Ofsanova, president of Alatra, International Public Movement. Together, they are laying the groundwork for a new era, one where peace is no longer just a hope, but a technologically safeguarded and ethically grounded infrastructure for all of humanity.